Good morning. This is Echo from Itemptech. Welcome to InfoComm 2026 Las Vegas. So let me introduce you our latest AIO products. So what you see at the moment now is our 21.5 and 15.6 all-in-one touch displays. You can see from the picture that it's ultra slim bezel, and also the thickness is only 11 millimeters, and it integrated with 10 points capacity touch, and supports Android. At the moment, it's Android 14. We can also customize different kind of size. So the size will be available from 7-inch to 21.5-inch. So if you are interested in such kind of product, please visit us at www.itemptech.com.